Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new OnePlus Buds Z. We will see in this video what we have from these earbuds that we don't have in the previous version, how to connect them, how to use the options and how do they work, how do they sound. We will do some tests and see how to connect it with different devices and all we will do in this video. So if you're interested to see that, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on. With fully charged Buds Z, we have 20 hours of combination playback, 5 hours of music and 3 hours of phone calls. And with only 10 minutes of fast charge, we have 3 hours of play music. One earbud of the Buds Z has 40 milliamp hour and the case itself has 450 milliamp hour. You can see the box is really good, like always, same box, red. We have the earbuds, the case itself right here. Underneath it we will find another buds, as you can see, buds for life. We have the accessories here. So in this box we'll have the charging cable and the user manual, warranty, etc. You can see here immediately we can see some stuff. We have the cable itself, type C, small cable but it does the job, and we have two more pair of the rubber pieces. We have the warranty, safety and warranty, as you can see right here, and next we have the user manual. As you can see, it says let's get started. So this is all that we have in the box of the OnePlus Buds Z. You can see the case itself looks really good. OnePlus, we're very shiny and it looks pretty good material. It feels solid, which is always a good thing. The case is magnetic, as you can see. It pulls itself back together. Back we have the button to power it on and the port to charge it. So to connect we have the brand new Nord and 10. You can see we immediately have to turn the Bluetooth on, pop the case up, and the button at the back that we saw, we have to press and hold. You can see the white light right now that indicates us that is ready to connect. So we have to go here at the Bluetooth for the first time when we connected. Press pair a new device. And you can see immediately we have the OnePlus Buds Z. When we press it, press pair again. So for the first time you have to pair it like usual. If you go to the settings, you can see we have OnePlus Buds Z. Double click on the left earbud, double click on the right earbud, so you can customize the options. You can see play, pause, voice assistant, previous track and next track. I'm going to use the left one for the previous track and the right one for the next track. You have more options here, for example, phone calls, media, audio and context sharing, and a couple of other stuff. You can see the function detection, autoplay and pause. If you pull out the earbuds, it pauses itself. We have the touch sensitivity and find headset that we will see later, all these options. So this is how to connect your Buds Z and how to use it. You can change the name of the Buds Zs as well in case you need to do so. You can see already we have an update. So let's download it, and you can see the download successfully. The update will be updated later. So we just have to use them. So let's pull out the Buds Z and see how they will work. So this is the find device, the first option that we'll try. As you can see, we have right and left. If you press the left one, it will ring the left earbud, and the same with the right one. You actually can hear them from the box, and they are far away from us, but again they have a really good sound in case you lose one in the house. Hopefully you can find it much easier than if you lose it outside of your house or somewhere in the streets. Either way, you can hear these earphones really good. They are very loud in case you lose them. This is a really good option to have, so you have more uh, security in these earphones so you don't lose them. So now that we know how to connect and the option, let's go ahead and try them out. We have a good sound here, and let's see how it will sound. I barely can hear myself, which is always a good thing. The bass is really good, the sound is crisp, clear, and as soon as I pull out the one earbud, it will pause itself. You can see the sensors are in this port, and I can actually fake my ear with my finger. As you can see, I can trigger the sensors to make them think that I have the earbud in my ear. If you surround the sensor with your finger, you can actually trigger it. You can see with double tap we led before the option to change the track, and same with the left one. When you pull it out, it will pause itself automatically, and we have double tap to play the previous song like we customize it in the settings. So you can see it works really good. These earbuds are quality and they sound really good, which is always a good thing to have in a thing that you buy. So after that, you can see we have the old pair of the earbuds, the first generation. We will do a separate video on comparing these two, but you can see the differences between them. We have different case, different colors, but the color is just a choice. But you can see the earbuds itself are different. We have the Buds Z's with rubber piece, and we have the Buds without the rubber piece. They have similarities, but they changed and upgraded the Buds Z's very well. So this is another option that we have in the Buds Z. This is the swap device. In case you want to swap from OnePlus 1 to OnePlus 2, you have to have your earbuds in your ear and press either one 3 seconds, and you will switch the device. This is the reset mode. You can see we have to press the button until we can see a red light. For now, these earphones are paired with this node. You can see now the red light. And if we check in the settings of Bluetooth, you can see now they are restored. We have again the white light. Now the earbuds Z are disconnected and restored as well. As you can see, it says again pair, which means they are restored from the step 1. We have the laptop as well, or the PC. You can connect these earbuds with every device, not just OnePlus devices, and you can connect them with PC as well, which is always a good thing. As always, press and hold the button until the white light, and at the Bluetooth devices, search for the OnePlus Buds Z. Immediately it connects without any problem, and the option will work the same as it does in the OnePlus. So we have the ear option to pause and play, as well as the touch sensitivity as well. The sound again in the PC is the same, really good, loud enough, very clear, and the options work as I said before, the play and pause. As you can see, immediately when I pull it out, it pauses the video. So that means it works perfectly. We also have some other function like answer a call, double tap and touch area of the bud, hang up a call, double tap and touch the area of bud again, reject a call, tap and hold and touch the area of bud for 5 seconds. So these are just a couple of functions that we have in the Buds Z. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.